Good evening, everybody. It is 8:45. The grandkids and her mom and dad are heading back to New Jersey, and I thought I'd go ahead and check out all the aftershocks that are happening since the 7.1 this morning. We've had a 4.2, a 4.7, a 4.3, a 4.3, a 5.5, a 5.0, a 5.1, another 5.0, a 4.8, a 4.6, 3.7, 3.9, a 4.2, and a 4.8 just happened. So they've got a bunch of aftershocks happening. I am still checking the volcano, keeping an eye on it. They haven't updated it, upgraded it, or anything at this point. I'll keep an eye on it all night. Okay, because that volcano goes, there's possibility of a tsunami, another big earthquake to go with it. So we'll keep an eye on it. That earthquake was felt all the way to Bali. That's a long ways. God bless you guys. You be safe. Have yourself an awesome evening. Thank you so much for watching.